Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi Q5 interior lights. We will begin by identifying the correct replacement bulbs, typically T10 or festoon-type LEDs, for a brighter, more modern look. Next, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal tool to prevent scratches and a small flathead screwdriver for prying. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off, and the existing lights are cool before starting any work to avoid burns or electrical issues. To replace the front dome lights, gently insert your plastic trim tool into the seam of the dome light housing and carefully pry it down. Once loose, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small release tab. Next, twist the old bulb holders approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to remove them. Insert your new LED bulbs, ensuring they are oriented correctly for polarity, and briefly test them before reassembly. Moving to the rear dome light, use your plastic trim tool to carefully unclip the clear lens cover. The existing festoon bulb can then be gently pulled straight out and replaced with your new LED. For the footwell lights, locate them under the dashboard on both the driver and passenger sides. Carefully pry out the entire housing, twist the bulb holder to remove the old bulb, and then install your new LED, ensuring it illuminates. For the door courtesy lights, carefully pry out the entire housing from the bottom edge of each door panel. Remove the old bulb from its holder and snap in the new LED replacement. The trunk light is accessed similarly by prying its housing from the trunk liner. Once all new bulbs are installed, take a moment to double-check every single light for proper function. Reassemble all housings securely, ensuring a snug fit for a complete and successful interior light upgrade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.